University Survival Guide, 10 Essential Life Hacks Every Student Must Master. Life hack, affordable culinary tips. Stay on budget by planning dorm meals using an electric kettle or coffee maker for quick and affordable options, like making hot chocolate or preparing sausages and instant noodles in minutes. Life hack, optimize your closet storage. Revolutionize your morning routine by using tabs to expand wardrobe space, allowing for efficient organization and avoiding laundry buildup for smoother mornings. Life hack, effectively handle your time. For university students, mastering effective time management, including scheduling dedicated study and sleep periods, is essential to navigate the challenges of deadlines and ensure a smoother academic journey. Life hack, stick to your financial limits. Mastering the art of budgeting is vital for students, and utilizing a budget calculator app to track and control expenses ensures a balanced financial approach throughout the month. Life hack, maintain a schedule. Simplify your hectic student life by using a planner app to organize daily tasks, assignments, and deadlines, providing a sense of accomplishment as you check off completed activities. Life hack, prioritize self-care. Maintain a healthy balance between academics and activities by incorporating regular moments of self-care, such as enjoying meals, staying hydrated, exercising, getting enough sleep, and taking breaks when feeling overwhelmed. Life hack, opt for the most audible alarm clock. Combat the issue of oversleeping by investing in a loud alarm clock or using a budget-friendly hack, placing your phone in a glass cup, to ensure a louder wake-up call, requiring you to get out of bed to turn it off. Life hack, stick to a routine. Boost academic success with a homework hack. Create a timetable, devise a study plan for efficient syllabus completion, prioritize consistency, and use lists to streamline university life. Life hack, secure student storage rental. Ease dorm space constraints with fantastic promotions from Student Storage Reading by Stored. Life hack, emphasize notes with highlights and colored pens. Transform your study routine by organizing notes with colored pens and highlights, enhancing learning efficiency and making information more accessible during lectures. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.